Do you know what? One thing that I absolutely love when I sit with my coffee is to look out right over here and think, wow, this is one of the most beautiful back areas. I think that backdrop is absolutely incredible. But do you know what would make it even better? Plants. Fun little quick project that we can all do together. Stay tuned. So I went to the local nursery and I found these beautiful plants. They're called Convolvulus Convolvulus, the starry moon, the moon series. I think that is going to look absolutely beautiful. They're full sun and they grow at a height of about 20 centimeters and they can grow up to 80 centimeters. As in trailing down. I've got 2 of them so that they'll go on both pillars and hopefully they'll trail down, make that area just pop. They pretty much get full sun. You can already see some beautiful flowers, some gorgeous flowers here. They're already at a mature length, so this is going to look spectacular. And I've bought a couple of pots from Bunnings. These were just the El Cheapo. I think they're about $2 each. And I've also got some bottoms as well, just so that it'll hold as much moisture in there for them. So these moon series are supposed to give you a very late spring to early autumn flower. So a very, very long flowering experience. They're very, very good for low maintenance areas and perfect for the garden or patio container. And the best thing about these moon cover series, the starry moon, is that they will cascade, which is exactly what I want to do. And I just think that will just look absolutely incredible. So I can't wait to pop these into the pot and pop them up the top and we'll see what they look like. So let's get into it, guys. Sorry if this is like a really bad camera angle. I don't actually have a potting bench just as yet, but I am going to be making one in a future video with my husband. So I'm really, really excited about that. I've just got some potting mix with a few added amendments like perlite, charcoal, and some fertilizer in there as well. And just to give them like a little bit of a kickstart, just going to fill up the soil just yay high. And then I'm going to pop the pot in and then I'm just going to backfill with the soil left over. First one is done. Have a look at this. They are just ready to go. I'm so excited about this. I can't wait to see how much growth and what they actually can do up on those pillars up there. Okay, let's go and pop them up. Side. Okay. I'll come back and have a look right at the end. Have a look at these. We'll see if we need to change them around. I think that they are going to look absolutely incredible. Holy wow. When they start to cascade down, I can't wait to bring you along for the journey. They look incredible. I'm really, really happy with that. And now I'm just going to give them some water and yeah, we'll finish up here. They look so good. I am so happy with how they've turned out, and now we can hop onto our balcony and just see these trailing formations. I can't wait till they grow up. Thank you so much for spending time in my garden. See you in the next one with another fun project idea, hopefully. And yeah, that's about it. That's all I need. Have a good one.